Here's how to change the batteries on your Paladone Super Mario Mushroom Light. All you'll need to do that is a Phillips head screwdriver and 2 AAA batteries. I grabbed these rechargeable ones off of Amazon. I'll put a link for the batteries and the light in the description below. First thing you need to do, take a tiny Phillips head screwdriver, turn the light over, and you're going to find the battery cover right here, and back out this one Phillips head screw. Now, pry the battery cover off, expose your batteries. Now take your batteries out. Now take your 2 new batteries and insert them with the negative side facing the springs. Now put your battery cover back on. Now screw back down. And you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.